Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by gaining administrator rights. This is required because you will stop services and modify system files. Next, stop the remote desktop services and any RDP wrapper processes to unload hooks, use services. MSC or net stop term service from an elevated prompt. Once stopped, identify the termsiv. DLL currently in use and copy it to a safe backup folder. Also backup the RDP wrapper installation directory and config files so you can restore if something goes wrong. Now you remove the wrapper components. Run the RDP wrapper uninstall. Bat or manually delete its installation folder while elevated. Make sure services are still stopped. After that, replace any modified termsiv. DLL with the original backup copy and set correct ownership and permissions so the system can load it. Use Tacone and iCackles if needed. Then open Regedit and carefully delete keys pointing to RDP wrapper or its drivers. Finally, remove any firewall or startup entries the wrapper added. To finish, restart the term service and then reboot the PC so the original terminal services load cleanly. This ensures Windows uses the restored termsiv. DLL. Once backup, test remote connections from another machine and confirm Windows' native remote desktop behavior returns, including single-session enforcement. If you encounter failures, boot into safe mode or recovery, restore your backed up termsiv. DLL and the RDP wrapper folder, or run the system restore point you created earlier. This resolves most misconfigurations quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.